Mars, gagawa tayo ng ham. So, I got basil over there, bay leaves. 3/4 cup. Okay, 3/4 cup salt. Okay, 1 cup brown sugar. Itinawin lang natin. So, peppercorn. Okay, haluin natin. Hanggang matunaw yung asukal at asin. Teaspoon of curing salt. Okay, lagyan natin ng konting cold water. Ayan. Okay, lagay na natin yung ating pork. Ayan. Okay, 1. Okay, dapat naka-submerge. Then, leave it for 5 days or more. Kumars, nagawa ko ham. So, good for 5 days na yan. So, ugasan natin. Yan. Ugasan natin. More cold water. Ugasan natin na dalawa. Okay, Kumars, lagyan lang natin ng score. Patiin muna natin. Ayan. Then, pakuluan natin sa pineapple juice tomorrow. Okay, Kumars, binalot ko ng cheesecloth. Okay, 1 big can of pineapple juice. Okay, Kumars.
We're going to share with me.
Yeah. 1 cup of brown sugar.
What is this?
The cheesecloth. Tunawin natin.
Should I wash my hands?
Yeah. Tunawin natin ang sugar. Okay, Kumars. Babad natin. Kaya ating ano. I got my little chef here. Kunti pa. Kunti pa.